Hi, this is Ravi. In this video, we would be learning how to use a 1:2 ratio call spread to try and recover the loss of a fallen stock or future. This setup is also known as stock repair strategy. A bull call spread is formed by buying a call option with a lower strike price and selling another call option with a higher strike price, both with the same underlying asset and time to maturity. When you combine a naked call to the bull call spread at a higher strike price, it is called a short call ratio spread or ratio call spread. The ratio call spread can be in the ratio 1:2, 1:3, 3:5, etc. The stock repair strategy uses this setup, usually a 1:2 ratio call spread, to try and recover the loss of a fallen stock or future. Find below a comparison of a bull call spread and a ratio call spread. So how does it work? The idea is to buy one at the money call for each lot of stock or future that you own, and to sell two out of the money calls with the same expiration date to pay for the long at the money call. It is to be done for a credit or a small debit. Otherwise, the cost basis would increase. It is assumed that you are hoping for a recovery in the price of the stock or future, as the strategy offers no downside protection. Also assumed is that your goal is to reduce the break-even point and thereby break even or reduce the loss on the current losing stock or futures position. That is, you are willing to forego any profit potential in case the stock or future shoots up. Let's see how we can apply the stock repair strategy to a losing Nifty futures position. Assume you bought the Nifty May future when it was trading at 9400 and the price of it has since then dropped to 9300, causing an unrealized loss of rupees 7500. Now all you should do is buy one Nifty May 9300 call at 285 and simultaneously sell two Nifty May 9400 calls at 234. This reduces the break-even point of the future to 9400 minus 2 into 234 minus 285, which comes to about 9217. And also you would cap the profit potential to strike price of the sold calls minus break-even point plus spread width into lot size, which comes to about rupees 21,225. While the bought 9300 call and one of the sold 9400 calls form a bull call spread, the other 9400 call acts as a covered call with the underlying Nifty future. From the risk graph, it is evident that you not only lowered the break-even point to 9217, but also successfully created a setup where you can make a profit out of a losing position, though the downside risk still exists. There would be four scenarios. First, if Nifty futures price continues to drop, you would face substantial loss beyond the break-even point, as the strategy offers no downside protection. Second, if Nifty futures price is right at the break-even point at expiry, the profit and loss would be zero. Third, if Nifty futures price is right at the point where you entered the stock repair strategy, that is at 9300 at expiry, the profit and loss would be rupees 6225. Fourth, if Nifty futures price is at or above the strike price of the sold calls at expiry, the profit and loss would be rupees 21,225. Let's look at one scenario when Nifty expires at 9100. The profit and loss on Nifty future would then be minus 300. The profit and loss on the 9300 call would be minus 285 and the profit and loss on 9400 call would be plus 468. The total profit and loss would then be minus 117 into lot size, which comes to about minus 8775. In most of the above scenarios, you would be happy as you converted the position from a loss situation to a break-even or decent profit situation. Please use this strategy only when you believe that the decline is over and that the underlying will recover at least some of the ground that it lost. There is another variation to this strategy where you would sell three higher strike call options to finance a put, a strike or two strikes below the long call, that is in our case at 9200. This would either remove the downside risk entirely or to an extent, but would introduce an upside risk beyond a point, in our case at 9720. You may use this strategy at your own discretion as it requires management when the stock recovers and moves higher aggressively. One option would be to buy to close either one or two 9400 calls. Thank you for watching. Also, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.